Hello, my name is Shelby Grams and I am currently helping fill in and do videos for my father, Jay. With that being said, I'm going to give you my best impression of this beautiful 1965 Buick Skylark. Now this car is the quintessential sleeper, a Buick with poverty wheels packing a 401 Nailhead that produces a whopping 455 foot-pounds of torque. And believe it or not, there's a 4-speed between the bucket seats. I'm sorry, what? That is actually crazy. Never would I have expected that in this car. Also offers some luxury features like vintage air, power steering, and disc brakes, along with a German cloth power top. And from the outside, nobody would even know you are packing some serious performance under the hood of this car. And that's what I like most about it. Now with that being said, come on, join me and let's go for a spin. Now looking at the exterior of this car, I am in love with the originality of it. The reproduction radial redline tires and body-colored rims with poverty hubcaps grabbed my attention right from the start. The paint is nice and slick and glossy and was applied with great detail. The bumpers, grille, tail panel, trim, and handles have all been rechromed and have an elegant shine to them. And looking down the side of the body of the car, it absolutely is laser straight. All of the panels have been aligned and the gaps are nice and consistent throughout this car. Now let's see. Doors open very nicely and close like a new car. The power convertible top has also been upgraded with black canvas that looks fantastic. Now there is also a blue boot that matches the interior as well for the car when the top is down. Now let's go check out the interior. Looking at the trunk, it has been neatly refinished and has a stock appearance. The underside of the trunk lid and jamb have been painted the same color as the exterior, and the weather strip and well liner was replaced, and the floor pan metal looks solid and is painted with a factory style spatter paint. This car is also equipped with a rubber mat and a full-size spare tire that has a vinyl cover on it. The convertible top boot is currently being stored in the trunk as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you will be notified as the next video is posted. Now this interior has been completely refinished and looks tremendous. The front bucket seats have been recovered and recushioned and have great spring to them. An original looking Hurst 4-speed shifter proudly sits between the seats, and the back seat has also been redone. It has seat belts front and back, and all the door panels have been replaced, and the builder reused the very nice looking handles. The carpeting was also replaced and has matching mats. It is equipped with a Bosch triple gauge monitoring the vitals, and the lower portion of the dash has been repainted just like the body. And the upper portion has an optional dash pad. All of the bezels look original but in great shape, and a retro stereo fits in the factory hole. A vintage air climate control is now in place of the factory unit, and all of the gauges look original, and there are additional indicator lights on the left side. The rearview mirror and sun visors have been replaced as well. And the car may be a sleeper, but not the steering wheel. It's first class with a highly polished wood rim. Seriously, this is where the cruiser meets the sleeper. Under the hood is a stout 401 Nailhead V8 engine producing 325 horsepower and monstrous 445 foot-pounds of torque. It's been neatly detailed and runs absolutely fantastic. It is equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. It still has the factory correct air cleaner with the correct decals as well. Great looking finned aluminum valve covers and matching valley pan, and all the hoses and wires have been replaced and routed appropriately. It looks like the radiator is fresh and has been upgraded with an electronic fan. Additionally, there is a transmission cooler mounted in front of the radiator, and the battery is properly secured and has a Delco reproduction topper. The horns and squirters are hooked up, and there's even a correct glass GM windshield washer fluid bottle mounted on the fender well. The underside of the hood has been repainted satin black and is complete with insulation, and the inside of the fender wells and firewall have neatly been painted satin black as well, and even the factory cowl tag is still in place. This car is show quality. Now this car has received a detailed restoration and then was maintained as needed since completion, and it appears that the steering gearbox and center link have been replaced. The front suspension has been upgraded with tubular upper and lower control arms, as well as gas adjust coilover shocks. It has a sway bar as well, and the rear suspension also looks great with fresh shocks and springs. It has power brakes that are disc up front and drum in the rear, and all the lines have been replaced as well. It is equipped with a full dual exhaust system that was replaced during restoration and has Flowmaster mufflers. Now looking up at the 401 Nailhead V8 engine, everything looks clean and correct. And same goes for the Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission. It looks like it was serviced and does not have any visible leaks. It has a 10-bolt rear end that was neatly painted black, and the floors appear to have been undercoated from the factory and freshened up with some black paint. Now our professional team of mechanics have inspected this vehicle and replaced the convertible top latch, replaced the driver's door latch, and then also replaced the front brake hoses and bled the system. This car is now ready to cruise with some confidence. Many times it's subtleties that make the biggest impact, and that's the effect that this convertible cruiser has. The 401 Nailhead V8 and 4-speed manual transmission transform this classic into sleeper status. This car is whispering class and elegance, but screams when you mash that gas pedal. With that being said, don't let the opportunity slip off your fingertips. So go on, I know you want to. Go on and give us a call, and we can help set up delivering this car to your door and even set up financing. Thanks for watching.